Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a ChatGPT account. It's really simple. I'll show you how to do it on the computer. Let's get started. As you can see, you just need to type ChatGPT into Google and then go to the ChatGPT page here. When you click, it's very straightforward. The first time before you can use it, it will either ask you to log in if you already have an account or to sign up. You click on sign up for free and then either you use an email address, create a password and then log in so you can start using it for free. Or often the simplest way is to use a Google, Microsoft or Apple account. You can log in directly with your account and start using ChatGPT that way. I also wanted to tell you about a second way to create a profile, which is by using the GamesGo platform. So let me explain what that is. You'll find the link in the description to access the platform. I encourage you to do it. You click on that link and you'll end up on this page. What is GamesGo? It's a subscription sharing platform. The platform buys lots of subscriptions wholesale from the reseller and then offers them at a very attractive price, often by sharing the subscription among several people. As you can see, there are quite a few options. There are many others, including ChatGPT Plus, which is the paid subscription for ChatGPT. You can get it directly through GamesGo. You just click buy now. You can choose between 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months, and the prices are really very attractive. In this case, the subscription is shared with 6 people. Normally you have your own requests, your own searches, but of course it's shared with several people. Here it can be 6 people, 3 people, or even solo. Once you've chosen your subscription, I also encourage you to use the promo code that you'll also find in the description. All you have to do is click on do you have a promo code, enter NTZHY and click apply. That will give you a small discount on the price. You proceed to payment, then choose your payment method and pay. Under the subscription tab up here, you'll find your email and password, which you'll enter into ChatGPT Right, where we were earlier, and you'll be able to start using ChatGPT Plus at a really attractive price. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!